Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making green chicken, Vijay Talpati favorite recipe. Green chili stew, coriander, handful of coriander, cumin powder 2 tablespoon, red chili powder half tablespoon, optional curd 2 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, salt as per taste, mix fine paste, chicken half kg. I am using boneless, you can use with bone as well. Add the green paste, mix everything, marinate for 1 hour. You can froze this chicken up to 1 month in refrigerator. Oil for frying. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes or until changes color. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Whatever we do, plating is so important. Mashed potato, chili flakes on top. With the help of sauce, I am decorating plate. Yummy, healthy green chicken. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.